Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to track time in Asana by Clockify. So simply type Clockify in Google, you will find this website. Now you can see start tracking time option is available here. But what we need to do, first of all, we will sign up free on this site. So just click on sign up free. Now this new page is open. Now you will easily sign up on Clockify. So just you need to enter your email address here. So we are just typing our personal email on this website, like I'm typing this one. So after typing your email address, just down type your password. So now click on create free account. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see your account has been created. So now this is the main interface of Clockify. So now you can see all the options are here, but what we need to do, just close these tabs to each other. Now this is the main interface of Clockify. You can check the start option here, and on the left multiple options are here. So now what we need to do, just click on project. Now click on new project. Now you can see these are options are available here. Select client, no template, you have to upgrade it. So you can also change the color, like I am adding red color. You can also add the project name here. I am writing the project name for Asana. Now click on select client. Now you need to copy this address. Just copied it and paste it on here. So now you have successfully pasted this link. Now you can see created account with this option is available. Now click on create. Now it will take some time. Now you can also find the project here. Now after some time we'll click on projects. Now you can see our project is here for Asana. So after selecting the project, click on start timing. Now you can see your time tracking is started. So in this way you can simply track time on Asana by Clockify.